studios, twisting up buds and woods. Yeah, yo. In the backwoods studios, twisting up buds and woods. From hoods with young ones snatching goods, and everyone acting fool. We just can't live travel rules. Bruised blacks with blues. We rather rap was true instead of losing they clapping tools. We've been through it, from freestyling cold winters on corners to mom flipping. Sick of the warrants, have the cops at your door 4 in the morning. But I ain't even at my mom's crib, somewhere else, waking up yawning, minds whirling. From last night, got high as a fuck, trying to get by with our little bit of bucks. Living in the slums, are locked in the belly of the beast. Gotta hold yours like steady, then release. We humble, our heads had a cake and eat. Studios, living in the slums, all locked in the belly of the beast. Gotta hold yours like steady, then release. We humble, our heads had a cake and eat. We gotta grind just to make a peace, and there ain't no peace till they take away the murderers and brutalities of police. Till then, I'ma watch for the slow leaks and hold it forever. Rap this music to my soul's peace, peace, peace. It's like I'm losing focus. Every day trying to write down the thoughts, feeling hope. Trying to grow with that and then float above all the bullshit. That's why we pull spliffs, going through this every day. That's why we trying to get our pennies up. Everybody trying to get hennied up, cause it's like we don't give a what. And I'm just trying to spit for my brothers, living in struggles, just trying to get on, always trying to bubble, you know, in the cut. Striking infectious thoughts attack the vein as we rush through the coldness and hold this close to the heart. Every time I write, trying to throw the dart with the aim. You know how we hold it down, flowing every day, trying to go on, trying to grow on, trying to flow, never wrong. And we so close to getting there, but everybody's still living in fear. And I'm just trying to get through these years. It's 2003, everybody light it up. Everybody get lit up. That's for the culture, yeah. It's on Blaze, Mega Law. How we represent, looking at the stars. Every day getting high, why? Cause it's like, yo, soon we gonna die. And I'm trying to understand that in a spiritual way. It's like I'm closer to God anyway. So, yo, everybody clap your hands, everybody just clap your hands and understand why you live, why we give what we got, blowing the pot. You know why we give what we got, blowing the pot. You know why you live, blowing the pot. Yeah, hip hop, that's what we live for real, real. Word, living with deals, problems, issues and deals, problems, issues and deals. Belief just earled in, still trying to get my pen on. Write scripts and light splits till we high as light bills. Watching for those that might switch to the dark, we over here remaining righteous. Though we spark, sole purpose to spit and hype kids, make them wanna hold open their eyelids. Ninjas and myths, origins from way back since the presence of Genesis and Osiris. Life is such a stress, but in the coldest storms I let them morph in the
over
phoenix.
Over 1,000 miles from public housing, lounging on beaches in the Riviera, tanner doused in coconut-scented lotion. Wish I was there, the story's rare enough to merit an endangered species tag and velvet rope surrounding every pad. Tighter than some virgin's pussy, don't ever push me. I balance on the edge of cliffs for fun in summer, hanging crooked, but never look down. I look to the sky and envision the place where everybody go when they die. They say that bright lights and angels come and get you. If that's the truth, then I expect a black night blocking the sun. I got issues. Another day with myself, another day without wealth. There's gotta be another way, I need help. And so I pray like I'm a Pentecostal, Sufi, Buddhist, strict agnostic, hoping one will hit its target. Take another sip of hypnotic and lay my head on the pillow and dream erotic scenes of killers spilling endless rounds and all of them shooting at me.
You know Canox got that phoenix wingspan and love hovering over the ghetto wasteland. I got a rap just as fat as my waistband. You got a rap that belongs in the waste can. Yo Gene, you gotta change Grae to Hackman, cause when we fight, we swing them blades. And when we rap, we swing them blades. And then we slide on them like the escapades. I knew the end of this book since the first page. Rap sucks, but we still get paid. We smoke them trees at the highest grades. I'll spit a line that'll fix your fades. So don't go there, you cannot hold air. Look at them, reaching and shit. If you touch my jersey, I'll bust your lip. Open your face, then break your hip. Yeah, Cannibal O, handle you slow. Jean Grae in the house. Yeah, Ruddy Rock. Belief was drunk as shit last night, man.
Never wanna hurt again.
Never.
Never wanna hurt again.
Yo. I've been had nicotine in my system since a teen riffing. Moms and pops struggling. Pops always getting locked. Really started trouble in the rib I was living in, getting in the messes. Gotta rise spitting. We gifted kids getting lifted. Bear witnesses to sins. Do pen serve lords making amends. Not on some surfboards popping shit on the net. Hit you with a disc in your neck. You niggas better give us respect, cause we been here since it been about flipping the tech, kicking effects. Bounded by the Lord, triggered the flip. Living vexed with chances and bets. Giving the best for the moment, knowing everything we holding daily. Truth to us as the fuse of us. Still take another pull and crush your dub in another Dutch. Like never wanna hurt again. Yeah. Word. Living in traps. Never wanna hurt again. Cops always on our backs. Never wanna hurt again. So we on them tracks. Never wanna hurt again. Living life as a matter of fact. Yo, up in the dungeons with dragons puffin', stuck in the games. Niggas' main functions is fucking in chains. Your heads got stuck for they buckets of change, but something got to. Young hostiles left high schools who get high rules, talking like hi, I won't bite you, I'm just trying to get by. Might spit till I'm 75, still pimping with dimes till we meet with the heavenly skies. Living in hells cause we can't escape, getting in cells, living the tales. We got bails, motherfuckers still sending me bills. I'm trying to get Aire hundreds and Stephanie Mills. Politicking the bill, money and knowledge and skill. Learn from the way bodies was killed, and everybody gotta deal with it. Inherit the tragedies of souls buried deeply within these. Like never wanna hurt again. Word. Living in traps. Never wanna hurt again. Cops always on our backs. Never wanna hurt again. So we on the tracks. Never wanna hurt again. Living life as a matter of fact. Yo.
Yo, feast of famine, the ops stay scrambling. I gotta get mine for you put your damn hand in. Therefore, you can see that wealth is the object. From the east side to the projects, it's logic. I stay focused, plus I stay committed. I keep making tracks till I get that hit. Kid, I'm a workhorse, I make 6 beats in one sitting. And I put them all out and they start to bid. And I'm just kidding, I never made a dime from this. Yo, I do it for the love, so I'm fine with this. If I never make a cent, I won't be depressed. I'll be an old ass lawyer making beats during recess. Or the best producer charging cats 100 G's for a track and live my life blunted. See, either way, I'ma eat regardless. And I ain't gon' stop till my gut's the largest. What?
That's how it goes down. Cannibal O, Opto, you too slow, yeah.
Yo,
hit 'em up, Vordul.
representing from the highlands, we tryna get by. This all day tryna do or die. In this situation, it's like suicide. With my back against the wall, rapping for everything I came from. Everything that was like dangerous in these times that we try to not hang from. You know the stresses and hang-ups. Times when my girl hung up, I was hung up. Drunk as a fuck, blowing a blunt, but I don't give a fuck. I'm just gonna represent for my nigga Sin One and Adam's family till the death, son. And we gonna rap and go through this madness all the time, coming from blocks with cats to clap, stepping on your black kicks. I'm like, them shits is dark. What the fuck you getting personal for? We living this life in this raw. Just represent, tell the test, we test the joys all day. Represent for your hood, whatever, it don't matter. Just be real good. Yeah, DJ Sips on the 1-2. You know how we do. Represent the crew, Def Jukes, Cannibal Ops. Yeah, one time for the copying fighters. Get off the little, you know, and stop trying to fight and copies. Let's touch the theory right here. Cold take, let them have it.
Out goes the flow with a weasel, strapped with an ox full of diesel, trapped in the desert with eagle thoughts of ghetto acapellas and cathedrals, spilling heavy gospels with cheaters, twisted up high off the reefer, lost beyond regions, a logic and reason, just being we high so being, not so obedient to society's laws and limitations, lost in its ghetto population. I'm just another face that's facing all types of like stereotypes and hatred, but I ain't gonna wear that and get all stressed out. I'm just trying to make it and strive for my hell changes, emotions and the thoughts and rages, relieve and release on pages. My life in a cycle of stages, seen through descriptions of nature. Ever since back in the days when niggas was loving and hating, everyone trapped in 2000 caught the matrix with diseases of judgment that breathe through the hatred, can see through the semen and snake shit. Defines the line of a hater, and what defines the line of someone even greater, and what makes somebody jump that line, trying to take it, grab behind enemy lines, trying to make it mine in another universe while my physical stuck on the earth and he's in the city hazes.
Yeah, this that exclusive, so stop trying to bite and cop. Straight up get chopped.
Shit down. What is you, clown? You wanna see a little kid get shot? Give me 2 good reasons so I don't smack you for flashing a gun in my face just to get some respect. All in all, it's all love, and I'm here to protect you. Only 12 years old, someone to snap your neck, your pants sag. Your thoughts gotta pull up, mental calisthenics. Brains can't push up or even sit up to fight for what they believe in. You thought about it, I said peace, keep breathing. I see him mumbling, shrugging his shoulder. He probably cursing me, but he know better. He had a Beretta with the rubbed off cereal digit, and I know he got it from Carlos the Midget. The only cat I know cold enough to hustle shit to kids. Him and his 3-man team formed an 8-arm squid, and they laughing in the face of any possibilities of them doing lids. We all from the same ghetto, and these are the same hollow tips that knock Millie out of stilettos. He cocked first, I cocked second, and in that exact second, go for the gas burst.
Don't try to bite a bootleg for real.
On orchestrated from blocks where animals grow up and sport lasers. We twist mad say rock, sky, pippin' J's, all day blazers. Wrapped in these inner city mazes. Relaxed on corners where cats stay wasted. Choking on 4 old basics. You tasted my life in oasis. It's tripe, but I make it straight through these days, man. Rats that are lace kids. I'm just trying to blaze these mics on the stage. Right on this page. Life as it's seen in amazement. Like I'ma stay blazing. Mics till I'm fading. Off for the surf and return to my nature. In the meantime, spit flows and cop acres. Put my fam in it with shelter that's spacious. Everyday life, yo, is rapping, it's major. I'm just trying to make it though. Slowly dissolves and my belly got me aching. Niggas up the block, yo, I swear trying to take it, but I'ma stay patient. Watching every move made in the jungle. It's live trying to strive and struggle. New York state of mind, that's the home that I come to. Nothing but pigeons, living trapped in the system, bleeding, screaming. Phoenix, we needed that scratch with a meaning. Stay shining, trying to escape by the hellfires and lakes. Brain on another plane, gliding through acid rain. That stress, trying to mask the pain. Spit words, not the hurt, but the bash your brain. That's the worth of an MC wrapped in the vein. New York.
On highways weeded, stresses get left behind. Skating thousands of miles, blow out clouds, drowning, hand in crown with lives to shield, living in risk, trying to get out of mama's house and into cribs. Too many memories of families at windows shedding tears. That never helps, knowing living in fears. The only thing to fear is self. Awakening from falling in deep depressions. Can't worry why skies is blue. Only wonder why my hands is tied from all the bullshit caught in my mind. But I can't let it fall all on me. It feels like someone else helped put it there. Entrapment's the ways we live. Entrapment's the ways we live.
Oh, you got a murderous rage in you, and I like it. Oh, his life boiling up inside of you is good.
There is more to this than even I understand. Rip the control metal from what is left of your son's head. Who the hell is interfering with my telepathy?
Backwoods.
It's him meddling
Young
again.
Havocs.
Damn it, I don't know who, but there's no way an insignificant piece of filth like him can hope to block my telepathic power.
In the lands of trash baggage, and who got the fattest pockets? Hotel lobbies for children, blasting rockets. Streets is red, green got the minds high and uneven, puffing like a fire breathing on the strip with people concealing creatures of death. See lasers from mechanical lenses, and dark blue nights. We need freedoms, cause the powers that be abuse rights and work in fields with low wages. Got peeps tight and uncomfortable, like in the streets with jerking deals. While we in streets, all ass working wheels in the machine, getting bills to work on wheels and float. Some feel hopeless with dreams lost, seeing ghosts. Yo, protect your cortex. Traveling an unknown vortex. Never know where you could be seen or found. Hold your ground, you might need a pound just to get down. Protect your cerebral cortex. Traveling an unknown vortex. Never know where you could be seen or found. Just hold it down for the cerebral core. Through the madness, escape the tragedies of fire blown from metal. A earth with no more plastics. Mad Maxes with ratchets and masks. Steam released from gaskets. Anger for years. Time wasting, falsification. The saviors and tabernacles. Been tackled in rubbles. Living in advanced jungles. With little girls on cell phones that blow bubbles. And everybody love the first time they got in trouble. But the plan is houses and lands. And the way things is looking, I also gotta give me some automatic lasers, goggles, and cans. Protect your cortex. Protect your cortex. Traveling an unknown vortex. Never know where you could be seen or found. Hold your ground. You might need a pound just to get down. Protect your cerebral cortex. Traveling an unknown vortex. Never know where you could be seen or found. Just hold it down.
My God, no. What are you doing? Carry out my order.
Oh, it's amazing what little brain damage will do for your credibility.
Stories of how we gone through it since way back. Talking problems and hard paths. Starving on blocks we fed. Mad at niggas that forgot we broke bread. Grow with strength, learning everyday lessons. Gotta get up and press issues. Stress from being misused. Fuck those man cause we spit truth. Get dro in bags and be you. It's easy, more so said than done. Chased by police we run. Get tired, pause on streets with peace wired. Come down hard from being hot up, stuck on clouds. But no time to fuck around. Make tracks and rush your town. Off corners, lungs burnt out. Still got stoves busting down. Outside activities wild. Got the grown folks cussing now like yo, what the shit crazy. And it nothing but problems. Who gonna come around and solve them? Who gonna be the one to save us? Gotta save you and make special moves. You know it's like
yo, here we go. Check the flow. Cannibal O, representing number one. Hit you up, son. We coming through with sit one on the 1-2s. Hit you up and you got a dumb crew trying to step to us. We electrify minds when it come to thoughts that bust in one time. Coppers and helicopters trying to watch us through binoculars. We just trying to gain profits. You know we just prophets trying to pop it like the collars. And we holler for girls with big butts and dollars. And we do it for the druids, the new kids on the block trying to rock. Get off the stage when they see Cannibal Ox with blades hanging out the mouth. We represent from uptown, not from south. Get you hit up, we lit up the Dutch and split up the guts when we spit off the. Y'all cats like what? That cat nasty, drop verbs. Hit you up and fly you, propel you like a bird. Whatever, it's mega, the bullshit deader ever since an adolescent. Stressing, burning, assessing. Cipriano's sessions, we stay blazing, stay amazing like the stories tell a glory like Denzel with the pencils and the exhaling, inhaling in the depths of hell. We trying to escape through the steps of cells and we trying to twist up trees and toilet paper wrappings. If you understand then adapt quick or get clap kid, cause we rap with ratchets in the jungle, straight up spit off the humble. Get your whole crew crumbled. You're like Dumbos with big ears. For real, we got big spares.
No more games, man. Not at all. Yo, for the megas. Yo, I'm up the back, gotta swing like Gia. Smack the comment that be hot like fajita. Make a home run, then slide me the visa. Bubbling like a Sprite, size 2 liter. Best believe we make noise like ambulances. The end of landed, pack your baggage. Massive classes wrapped in avalanches. Go with the flow, don't take your chances.
Blaze tracks, burning trees down like fires to haystacks. In my spare time, rocking it off the hairline. Watching young princesses with rocks in their Air Maxes. Claim they boyfriends got Acaras from bubbling soaps. Get locked up in the cell, right next to they seats pops. So even the babies act tough.
Move through the streets like DT cars. Walking on the blocks, talking to stars. Saying, look at how bright all of you are. Be free and not the one stuck in the jar.
Take off on greens, we break off. Feels like our kind's found in train stations, ducking blues blazed up. Talking they got razors stuck in their shoes, and we always making the news.
We in your hood and we dragging our bags. Filled with the goodies and it's packing some bags. What else? Laces, razors, we happen to rap. Okay. Paint in the hands and we smacking up tags. We in your hood,
pulling on drags, watching for poles trying to push us in wags. We in the traffic, twisting our backs, moving real fast, spraying our tags.
Put a hand in the air now, skywriting. Lay on the ground, play in the clouds and type lightning. Moves that abuse, amuse, or confuse many. Choose any moves, very easy. Elephant trunk from jungle gymnasium. One step gorilla, shake the whole stadium.
Overhead in a spaceship, popping in A6, shaped like an A6. Take life serious and only laugh when we express through graphs and spray whips. Color coordination with B2s and animatrix. Wearing baggy outfits and clear zips. Soon as it opens, absorb the mind elevation and promise to never get caught by them spare ribs.
Or shrimp on a Barbie, marks on your back, scissors your body. Borderland carnies, smaller than army. Aunt's taking us out, I'm sorry. Come on, man. Man, I'm sorry, cuz we in your hood and we dragging our bags. Filled with the goodies and it's packing some bags. What else? Laces, razors, we happen to rap. Okay. Paint in the hands and we smacking up tags. We in your hood,
pulling on drags, watching for poles trying to push us in wags. We in the traffic, twisting our backs, moving real fast, spraying our tags.
We in your hood and we dragging our bags. Filled with the goodies and it's packing some bags. What else? Laces, razors, we happen to rap. Okay. Paint in the hands and we smacking up tags. We in your hood,
pulling on drags, watching for poles trying to push us in wags. We in the traffic, twisting our backs, moving real fast, spraying our tags.
We in the hood. We in the hood. We in the hood. Look for us, man. We in the hood.
Yeah. We in the hood, checking our bags. We in the hood, checking the trash. We in the hood, everyone running and ducking and busting and not giving. Yeah.
Yo, spit dramatics. You know. Oh, yo. Kids so dope it's illegal. We belong in a dirty needle. Fuck that, just bring the eagle. Plus the Beretta. Yo, you gon' need all your guns and all your cheddar, cause we all know who rap better. What the fuck, you think you a competitor? You can't even stand with this, I'm the editor. Cut your lines out each rhyme. I'm on deck, yo, I flip dimes and I stay on my P's and Q's. Niggas watch these, I'm thrifty like Jews. What the fuck, I leave no clues. The D's like who, what, where. Y'all niggas can stare and ice grill, but guess what? I flip with skills.
Living and flipping bills, trying to get them skills up. Cause it's real fuck where we live and the chills ducking. I'm like, yo, the children's ducking in front of the buildings. What? I don't understand why it's like that. Niggas is like, yo, trying to strike caps overseas. Nigga, please. Yeah. You on the floor, looking up. Fucking with the brothers that came, took enough. Talk about look at hooks, look at choruses that come like 1,000 horses. Kids ready for the bism, we twist ism. Every day keep the eyes lit up. You know how we get up. Got a big cup, talk about yo, where Diddy? I need money, let's get busy. I don't care if he rapping my vocal. Man, bring it back to the chokehold. Then take his money and his alligators. Then slide off in ill James Bond elevators. Niggas is faders, getting faded all day. Yeah, all day. Yo, all day. Since hallways. Yo, all day. Since hallways. Yo, song play.
Yo, it's a lyrical terrorist. Microphone martyr. Guess what? We come harder. You was conventional weapons. Nigga, we little boy and fat man. You should've come harder.
That's for the 2000 and beyond.
And I promise tomorrow.
What's fortune? Things that others have so often. I feel so fortunate, still walking with all limbs. Even respect the little things, they become small gems. What's fortune? Things that others have so often. I feel so fortunate, still walking with all limbs. Even respect the little things, they become small gems. Sworn only by those humble that love bundle and the blow bubbles, but can't fumble when you hold your break. Get high when we burn yards, get drunk bumping cars like woofers in your doors. Living raw, nothing but problems. We get into wars across borders. Everybody swinging swords. We live G-lords, never bow to the law. Live to G-Or, spit on you peons. We eons ahead of you negros with sick flows. We represent for dollar heroes and negros, not only copping benzos. Fortunate if we got those hoopties. 1, 2, 3, spitomatics. We represent straight havoc from the young ones that used to like having fun on the blocks, living it all day. Spin that rap, dangerous from the dangerous, most dirtiest traps. Yo, you heard it, the words that'll come from the most young guns that'll spit till you gone. Straight up, slip to the dawn. And yo, you niggas ain't performing live over there. Niggas came to spin, just throwing it at you. Straight up, clap, fools. What's fortune? Things that others have so often. I feel so fortunate, still walking with all limbs. Even respect the little things, they become small gems. Yeah, we in the place. Check it out. Yo, it's the V0rdul Mecca plus Billy. Straight up, get silly. Twisting Phillies, mad woods. Everybody talking they mad hood. I'm about to get all in your engine when I start spitting. Niggas ain't living rough, living tough. Talk about spit it what? We came from the dirtiest dungeons, and we still here puffing like fuck it with the middle up. Everybody twist they middle up when we on the stage with a little cup full of a lot of liquor. That's how we do stick-ups. Everybody get bigged up like Mayo when you get mushrooms. Niggas is heroin addicts on my block like yo, where the rock? Niggas come straight up in your spot with the cops licking shots. That's how raw it is.
Doc, when I spit out be hot. Get buried with rocks, tryna mess with my moms. Or my sister and the missus, they be handling sharp objects. I be honest, it be better to run. Like P. Diddy through streets, gritty or suburban. Move in a hurry and toys, we be herbing them. Many people scurrying, little characters scrambling. Those stiff as mannequin get backed up in ambulance. Son needs funds cause tour dates they canceling. Quick lip babbling and not business handling. Mighty Joseph got heat, others got weak, but other than that, we got hands and feet techniques. Scat draw fans to us tryna touch our wares. Pushing their girls to talk to us like, go over there, okay, his body and get the autograph. By the time he try to holler, me and Shorty just flash. Stay in the mix like a Kool-Aid drink. Spilling out hot anytime the ink touch the pad, then float off paper.
Yo,
cut through speakers with so much flavor.
I had to tighten up my game, cause CEOs is lame. Couldn't be straight up, that's a shame. Mighty Joseph is a close-up with a telegram from the son of Sam. I came up without the upper hand. There was no window to throw piss from the pan, so we smoke indo, counting cake in our hands. You fucking up the dice dice game, taking a chance. I'll show you my dice game, swinging my lands. You still standing there, pissing your pants. I'm that same OG with the dip in my stance. Aiki Jiu-Jitsu, you don't wanna dance with the devil. I'm like Seagull, but I'm harder to kill. It's just part of the skill, and you ain't even half as ill. I'm a live wire, metamorph into fire.
Stay in the mix like a Kool-Aid drink, spilling out hot anytime the ink touch the pad, then float off paper. Cut through speakers with so much flavor.
Shit, man, I spent fucking $100,000. These motherfuckers releasing shit on their own. How the fuck am I gonna get paid? Hey, you guys need to change this song. Hold on, I don't like it. Let's see. Just give me 4 more tracks and something for the club.
Yeah, baby. You might be awful cool. Or what you do affect all the rest of our little employees. We can't have that, because we got a good operation going here. Like you want to kind of lay out, stretch out a little while. Be real cool.